Design. The first thing you notice about the Voga V is how thick and heavy it is. That's not a surprise given that it houses a projector, and at 10.2 mm with a weight of 204 grams, it is still smaller than most portable models. Its footprint, 153 by 76 mm, is average for a device with a 5.5-inch display. Voga V. That said, the Voga V never felt uncomfortable to use, as its full metal body is designed in such a way to make holding it feel, well, natural, and it looks premium rather than plastic, with a metallic blue finish and beveled edges, plus a 2.5D in-cell display. The projector is located at the top of the device, with a micro-support, headphone socket and the speaker located at the bottom. On either side, there are 2 volume buttons and the on switch, and a SIM tray that can house 2 SIM cards plus 1 microSD card, though not simultaneously. Voga V. Flip the phone over to uncover the rear camera sensor, and flash, a fingerprint reader plus the Voga logo. There's also a reference to the International Champions Cup, a friendly pre-season soccer tournament that has both Manchester football clubs and FC Barcelona as participating teams, and is sponsored by Rag and Tech.